Do you want to have an identity tomorrow? Or do you want to be known as Mr. So-and-so, B-A-M-A, P-A-M-A? Do you want to be known like that? Or do you want to have a name with a purpose and identity of who you are? What you are? You understand? This is what you have to build up. It comes, adu India dalli, please understand. Indians ke namge yaar bittade. Usually English gottadre, ನಾವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಇರೋರೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಚೂಡು ಅಂತೀವಿ. So everybody look and say, although we always have that. We don't speak English to impress people. People will be impressed. ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನೀನು ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡು, ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅದು but use it for communication, for self-development, self-growth. Yes. Yes or no? Alva? That is what we should do. Because as I said, it's very easy not doing anything. Most easiest thing. Saying no. So many years we are saying like this. When are you going to change? Because the only constant thing in life is change. Are you ready to change? Or do you just want to be worldly? Do you want to be like that? Or do you want to have an identity? Do you want people to know who you are and what you are? First, baradu maatare. Alva? First time when I shake hands, first time when I speak to you, in 2 sentences, our maatade reethiyalli namagu gottaagutade. That is why you have to create an impression. And that is why growth is there in India and in future for everybody. Now that is what I want you to get. Because each and every one of you here deserves a better life. Please understand. A life ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದರಿಂದ ಬೆಟರ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಇದೆ. ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಬಾರೋ ಜೊತೆಗೆ. ಅದೇ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓದಬೇಕು. ಬಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಯಡಿಯೂರಪ್ಪ ರೇಣುಕಪ್ಪ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ ಆ ಥರ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಎಫರ್ಟ್. ನಿನಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್. That's what I'm saying. You are asking me these questions because you are curious, and that is what is required. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ. You understand? Because when you do that, you remove that fear from your mind. ಆವಾಗ ನೀನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲೇನು ಯಾರ ಮುಂದೇನು you are not less than anybody. Understand? ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಬೇಕು to start. So that is the reason why you have this first part which sounds exclusive. Sorry, ಈಗ along with that writing exercise ಇರುತ್ತೆ daily. ನೀವು ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದು ಬಂದು ನಾವು ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸರಿನಾ? And as I said, whatever you do, just be honest with your pramanika. Don't be an Indian. Have pramanika. So have pramanika for yourself. Please understand. When I say write a sentence, it's very easy to copy sentences. Because angene ನಾವು exams ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರುವ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ನಾವು. ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಚೂಡಿನೇ ಬರೆಯೋದು. So that is a problem. But when you write something on your own, let it be with mistake. English ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಮಾತಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ರೆಡಿ. In the class you will be made to speak. So don't worry about it. ಸರಿನಾ? ಆ ಭಯ ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಲಿಸನಿಂಗ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? In India, speak English the way you know to speak English. This is how I talk in English. What? Oh, okay. Stop. What's that? We are thinking about the next word. That is all. We don't know what to say next. That's all. Or suddenly say, so, you can talk. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾರು ನೀನು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ನನ್ನ ಸಾಧಿಸಲ್ಲ. 1947 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿರೋದು? We started talking in English. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ತಡೆಯಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋದ್ರು. ನೀವೇ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಪಾಠನ ಕೇಳಿದೆ. ಪಾಠ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದು ಡಬಲ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಆ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. How many of them, what all types of English they speak? ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. If you want to improve your communication ability, the most important thing is listening skills. That's why I told you why you will have listened to so many types of Englishes. Alva? So many types of Kolabiri English. Kelidira. Yes? Listening skill is more difficult. All this is a part of what you will be taught. Please understand. Listening skill is more difficult. Why listening skill is more difficult? Because ellaru onde tara maatadalla. Today the way I speak will not be how he will speak, or will not be how he speaks. His tone will be different. His voice range will be different. You will be taught all this in my class. How to control your voice. Here sometimes jana phone alli maataduvaga avrige onde volume, full volume. You know, any time they get avela street alli ellarku gottagu. Sarina? Voice control is important in communication. Then after
video coverage on Facebook.
Right? All these things are part of what you will be taught. Please understand. This is a manual. Because now everyone's habit is there. We do not know those habits when we speak. Sometimes when we speak very, very soft. We don't like to be so. Nimage listening skill, estigate, you have to pull in your listening skill. You understand? Some will speak very, very, you say English is very, very important. Everybody should learn English. Gotta English. When you speak like this, how much will you understand? There are different ways how people will speak. Some people when they speak, they will give a lot of space between one word. It's a very important language. You know, by the time he completes that paragraph, you can go to Bangalore and come back. So sometimes people will also speak like this. Alva? Listening skill. You will be taught how to improve your listening skills. Because once you are a good listener, you will become a good communicator. Most of the time we don't listen. ಅದಕ್ಕೇನೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡೋದು. ನಾವು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಈ ಲೆಕ್ಚರರ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಫುಲ್ ನಿದ್ದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಟಿವಿ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್, ಇವತ್ತು ಟಿವಿ ನೈಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಟುಮಾರೋಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಬಲ್. ವಿಚ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ ಟು ಎಂಗೇಜ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಅವರಿಬ್ರು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ 2 hours ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಟ್ ನೈಟ್ ತನಕ ನೋಡೋಣ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್ ಹೊಸ ಮನೆ ಥರ ಇದ್ರೆ ನೈಟ್ ಫುಲ್ಲು ಕಾಲ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್, ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. So sometimes you sleep in class. Why do you sleep in class? Lecture is boring. I do not deny it. ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಲೆಕ್ಚರರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾವು we are all perfect ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕಿತ್ತೋಗಿರೋವರೇ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಇರೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀನ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ? ನಮ್ಮ ಥರ ನೀವ್ ಆಗ್ತೀಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಬೆಟರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರೋದು. Right? Because a bad carpenter will blame his tools. ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಕಲಿಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ? ಲೆಟ್ us try another strategy. We should find another way to skin the cat. You know, it's not question of just following one particular thing. Try alternate. So the basic thing lies with that communication. Likewise as listening skills. Right? You will be taught. Along with this comes writing. Right? So what happens is you will be made to give exercises there. Let me be very clear. Of course, you assignment ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಚೆ ಏನು ಕಲಿಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವೇ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಚೆ ಕಲಿಸೋದು ನನ್ನೇನೆ ಆಚೆ ಕಲಿಸೋದು. So I am not sending you out, but if you don't do it, you will miss out. Please understand. So if you are giving money, maybe each and every hour is worth money for you. Please understand. If you try to divide it, maybe each hour will be worth 50 rupees. That you have in each class. That's what the value of it. But if you are unable to come to class, I think you can always inform us or inform me. Alright. You know, in the class, I will be the only person engaged in class. Alright? So, Madhyadali substitute bitbit hogala. You know? Not like Yediyurappa makes Sadananda Gowda chief minister and control the show. No remote control. If I am not well, if I am not engaging class, I will let you know very much in advance. Alright, this is how it will be. It will be a fair and square deal. You know the most important after about 2 weeks, sir, now in class namage ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, waste of bloody time ಅಂತ ಹೇಳು 2000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡು. ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮನಿ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಫರ್